night. We got in super late, but we arrived to our hotel. They didn't have our room that we booked, so they ended up upgrading us, which we did not complain about. But this morning, I'm so excited. We are gonna be heading to, sorry, the sun's a little, but we are gonna be heading to Waco. We're gonna go get some breakfast. My mom's gonna go get her nail fixed. The place we went to was not good. So I ended up getting my nails done, fixed prior to what I had. But my mom is gonna go and get her nails fixed, and then we're gonna go grab some food, and then I think we're gonna head to Waco. And I'm very excited, but you guys have to look at this amazing view. Look how pretty it is. Our room is right off of the golf course. But it's so pretty. I love it. We are staying at the Four Seasons, and it's been really nice. We're gonna go grab our shoes, and we're gonna head out. We're gonna go get our car, and yeah, we're gonna have a really fun day. It is so beautiful today. I wish the weather was this nice back home, but it's not. But I'm wearing the cutest dress from Abercrombie & Fitch. I've been dying to wear this dress, but it's just a little too chilly at home. Ladies, we made it! Look how fun! Oh my goodness! We had to park about a block away. Well, yay! It's so fun. So cute. It's so cute. Look at the tulips. Dude, their gardening's on point. Ah! Whoa, huge wasp. So cute. Today they're filming a baking.
It's a Silo's baking show.
Silo's baking show. And they had to sign like a permission to show our face.
Form to film. No, I'm just joking.
No, but it's so cute. So pretty. We're waiting for our mom in the bathroom, wherever she is. Where are we gonna go first? Are you hungry?
Okay, honestly.
Yes. Dude, here's that wall. Kente. Amazing. That smells good. I love these.
Which will be really sweet, and then we'll get to announce a winner. And for those of you who are just arriving, the winner will get to be featured in our summer menu here at the Silo's Baking Co. and also get a $25,000.
So cute. We have the church. It's so beautiful. Check this out. We're gonna try and go in. I think it's full of people right now. We're gonna see. Look how cute! So fun. Yay! I'm gonna go in and see if we can find some shopping. There's Mama over there. I could paint that. Pretty. The beautiful Tablescape.
I like how she's
And so this little like vintage greenhouse. So fun, very cute. It says, this is their checkout counter. Hi. Oh yeah. Oh hi, that's pretty. All the candles. What's this? Cucumber, thyme, and melon. Those vases are incredible. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are cute. There's the arts. Their landscaping is amazing.
I've never seen like
Yeah, they thrive really well in hot weather. But even these, like, look how fun these are. You know what I mean?
The Magnolia landscape.
Yes. We just went into the Magnolia home, and that is so beautiful. So I think we're gonna do some shopping towards the end of the day. It's really busy, and that way we're not carrying around
everything.
a bunch of
Look at
stuff.
these cute boxes with the
Oh, I know. It's like grass. It's like a certain type of grass.
Okay.
Should we go hit up the little shops? It's super busy today. I also believe it's spring. Yeah, it is. I think it is. Garden buds. So pretty. I love how you did that. And they're so fun. Sunflowers. And they're so cute. Love these. Those are really cute too. The hanging pottery. Super cute. I love the dark.
I'm gonna order a bunch of this. I'm sick of it. I'm ordering it as soon as I get back to the hotel. I'm shopping away.
Kenzie, look at how cute this is. It's only 36. Like for salt. Yeah, pinch bowls. We are heading out. It was so much fun. It was exactly what I thought it would be. I picked up a few apparel t-shirts and lounge things for the house. But oh my gosh, so many good and beautiful finds. I just loved everything. We didn't try as much food as we were hoping, but we did get the grilled box, or the grilled cheese box. They're like grilled sandwiches, but it was so good. Anyways, we are gonna head back to Dallas. We're gonna try and beat some traffic, and we may go and do a little shopping tomorrow. But I think we're all getting a little tired, and we may go home or go back to the hotel and like go to the pool and relax. So yeah.